Prime Minister Narendra Modi today participated in the Constitution Day celebrations. Addressing the function in New Delhi, he said that laws are being made easier and accessible for the common citizens. Constitution Day celebrated at Meghalaya Raj Bhavan. The Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, D.P. Wallang, administered the Constitution Day pledge. The situation in Meghalaya has remained tense but under control, with security forces ensuring no further flare-ups. The State Home Department has extended the suspension of mobile phones internet for another 48 hours from 10 a.m. on November 26. India's PSLV C-54 was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota today. The mission payloads, including OceanSat and 8 other nanosatellites, have separated in the specified 2 hours in 2 different sun-synchronous orbits. In the FIFA World Cup Football 2022, Qatar were eliminated from the World Cup after Senegal yesterday thrashed the hosts 3-1 in a Group A match.